Hey, I got another video out on time. I also got a new mask, if you couldn't tell. The eyes are meant to, like, move and stuff, but I haven't finished that bit yet, so, you're just gonna have to deal with them not doing that. Anyway, I'm making that guy, but I'm sure you have eyes and can read, so, I'm gonna go do that now. And for anyone who doesn't know what that is Max, a tall rabbit thing from Sam&Max. Anyway, making things is fun, so I'm gonna go do that now. So I don't normally talk about printing the parts, because not everyone has the same printer as me, but this is important, so don't print Max at full size. I mean, I printed mine at 80% and it's still huge, so you know, maybe save yourself the time and filament and just scale that guy down. I mean, I guess I could probably just scale the files themselves down, so you don't have to. But that means I have to do more work, so, you know, I'm good. Okay, well with that out of the way, let's move on to actually finishing the parts. I started by painting the inside of the head black. Not all of it, just the bits that you can see from outside of the mouth. After that, I glued everything together using hot glue and these alignment pins. Now at this point you might have noticed all the seams. Do you know why that is? That's right, it's because the print's But don't worry, I have a recipe for homemade gap filler that might work. Basically I just mixed some Mod Podge in with some baking flour. Now I'm not quite sure how much I added of each, but you know it's about right when it tastes a little bit less like kindergarten and a bit more like 3rd grade. Then once it's all mixed up you just kind of smear it on everything. Then after giving it the night to dry, I can just start sanding everything nice and smooth. And now for the part I could have avoided had I printed everything out in white instead of purple. And then after 5 layers, I then painted all of the other colours. There we go, Max is looking mighty mediocre. Cracked paint, visible seams, print layers. What's not to love?